In this video, I will share with you step by step how to transfer money from Intesa Sanpaolo. So friends, log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. Log in with your own information. After logging your accounts, you will see this dashboard. Go to e-transfer option. As you can see, transfer. Choose existing pay, this option for existing pay. From here, write your details. For SIPA, choose SIPA International. Write your IBAN number, write your account number, write your address, city, and then choose your countries. After that, choose your amount you want to transfer. As you can see here, for example, this is the amount you want to transfer. Click the transfer option. This is for transfer, and then choose your amount you want to transfer. This is amount, and confirm your option. If you want to use internal transfer, this is for internal. Write your IBAN number, confirm your IBAN, account number, and email, and access type, private or public, and then click submit. So friends, actually this is how you can do. You can use also app, click on transfer for this app, write your amount you want to transfer. I hope this guide helpful for you friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.